Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the options language and keyboard. Let's tap on it. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the language, so let's enter. And here we've been immediately transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. And actually, basically, all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, actually immediately we've been transferred to the previous step, and the whole system from now on is in the Turkish. So let me do it again. Let me change it to the English because I'm not really good at Turkish. Alright, simply tap on it, and we've been again, we just got back to the language and keyboard section, and everything is in English. So basically this is it. This is how to change system language in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.